Noah Ark, Nigeria, the launch of 1community network apps. On the 1st of October 2025, 1community network launches its most ambitious transformation project ever to connect everyone and community to quality education, entertainment, professional training, business portal, remote government services, and economic opportunities through a network of community radio and TV stations, learning centers, and digital platforms. It's called a bloodless coup because we're overthrowing ignorance, poverty, and inequality through knowledge and skills, not violence. The revolution will be educational entertainment, education before entertainment, on the 1TV and 1Radio app. Register to attend and get the link to the app, https://tix.africa1com.
They told us we're the future of tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. Our fathers are tired, expired. Today we rise. Noah Ark is our bloodless coup. No more waiting, no more lies. We see the truth in their disguise. From the streets we take the helm. One community, we rule this realm. Noah Ark, hey, no hey Ark. We rise, we spark. Noah Ark, hey, no hey Ark. We own this mark. With 1TV, 1Radio, 1 strong. The 1community network moves us along. From Nigeria to the world we say, the future is ours, we lead the way. No guns, no war, just truth and youth. 1community rising, we stand for proof. Get listed.